Ang defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte na ipasasabi na ng impeachment court ang mga tax, bank at inampang financial record ng bise at kanyang mister. Nakatutok live, si Ian Cruz. Ian. Emil, para sa defense team, hindi malaking setback yung naging ruling ng impeachment court kung saan halos lahat nga ng nais na ipasubpina ng prosecution ay napanbigyan. Ayon kay Attorney Michael Poa, ang tagapagsalita ng depensa at siyang sumalang kanina sa naganap na oral arguments, mabigat ang kanilang pantutol. Pero may ruling na nga ang nahuhuman. Pero ani Poa, hindi nga nakikita makapekto ito sa defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Naghahanda na raw sila sa posibleng mangyari ito dahil nga nangyari na rin sa impeachment trial ni dating Chief Justice Renato Corona. Dagdag niya, hindi pa tiyak kung maaari silang mag-motion for reconsideration sa impeachment court dahil wala ito sa rules. May mga legal remedies na maaaring gawin tulad ng pagdulog sa Korte Suprema pero hindi pa anya ito na pag-uusapan ng defense panel at kailangan din itong isang guni sa vice-presidente. Sa panig naman ng prosecution, masaya sila sa tagumpay na may pasubbilang twin motion nila ukol sa AMLAC, bank records, pati na ang BIR records ng bise at asawa nitong si Attorney Manasseh Carapio. Nila, malalaman na kung magkano ang yaman ng bise. Tiwala rin silang bibigyan ng permiso ng Pangulo ang BIR para maisumite ang tax records ng bise. Okay lang daw na hindi pinayagan ang pagbubukas ng foreign currency deposits ng bise dahil mas substantial naman daw ang peso-denominated transactions nito. Narito ang pahayag ng depensa at prosecution.
There's always the possibility of going up, but we have not made that decision yet. This is something that we have to discuss as a team and also, of course, in consultation with our client, the respondent, Vice President.
We certainly would hope that he would give the authority. Wala kami nakikitang dahilan para hindi ibigay ng Pangulo yung authority or yung consent niya. I don't think the prosecution would be further taking issue on the matter. It's enough na grinant na nga yung subpoena with respect to the peso-denominated accounts kasi very substantial naman yung peso-denominated transactions or peso-denominated accounts. Hindi na rin kailangan yung tungkol sa foreign currency.
Emil, bukas nga inasahang magpapatuloy ang paglilitis ukol sa Article 4 o yung banta sa buhay ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at inasahang isasalang ng prosecution si NBI Director Melvin Matibag. Handa naman daw ang depensa para sa kanya.
Allow me to explain and let me begin with constitutional points. Our first point, Your Honors, due process. Impeachment is primarily a legal and constitutional procedure with political characteristics. It is sui generis, but it is not a purely political proceeding. Ibig sabihin po nun, the Bill of Rights, especially the due process clause, applies in all stages of the impeachment process. Your Honors, those are not my words. Those are the words of the Supreme Court in Duterte versus House of Representatives. And that is the law of the land. When we speak of due process, we offer a simple proposition that evidence must be present to support each and every accusation. Pero hindi po yon yung nangyari dito. Balikan po natin kung saan nagsimula itong proceeding na ito. I have here with me, Your Honors, copies of the Zabalia and Cabrera complaints, both filed before the House of Representatives. Both accused the Vice President of allegedly amassing unexplained wealth, both with voluminous attachments, yet not one attached a document to support that accusation. Not a single financial transaction record, not even a single SALN. In fact, it was only after these complaints were filed, and more significantly, only after the respondent had filed her answer before the Committee on Justice, that committee started searching for evidence to somehow support these accusations through, again, the issuance of subpoenas. Your Honors, we objected then and we are still objecting now because, with all due respect, the position of the defense is that is the very definition of a fishing expedition.